What's up my M&Ms, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to lace your Yeezy boost in the KAWS style. Let's get right to the video. To begin, you're going to want to undo the deadstock knot and then remove the laces. The white paper-like thing on the bottom of the shoe is just the worn sole protector's adhesive becoming undone. I gotta get some new ones. Alright guys, to begin we're going to start by taking the laces and putting them inside of the shoe, and we're going to put them in the holes closest to the center of the shoe. Once through, you're going to want to give the laces a little tug just to make sure that they are even. One side at a time, take the laces and put them in through the hole diagonal to the one you just threaded. With the tip of the lace in through the shoe, you're going to pull out on the bottom hole closest to the outside. Grab your laces and cross the existing loop into the shoe, making an X pattern, which is going to represent the eyes of the KAWS. From the inside out, you're going to be lacing the hole right above the existing X, creating another X on the top part of the center of the shoe. Alright, back from the inside, you're going to lace this hole. At this point, your laces should be on the outside of the shoe, and you're going to take them and put them on the inside and pull them through the last hole, creating this loop effect, which is representing the ear of the KAWS. Okay guys, here's where it gets a little bit tricky. This part is actually entirely up to you. Some people like to lace it up and some people like to lace it down. I'm going for the more erected look, so I'm going to be lacing it up. You can also make it as loose as possible or as tight as you would like, depending on your preference. Congratulations, you did it. You just tied your Yeezys in the KAWS style that is trending. Feel free to watch to the end of the video so you can see some clips of me trying to put some Yeezys on my dog. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.